Hey guys, welcome back to the another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18.1 beta 4, you may face a problem that your update stuck on update requested and you are unable to update your iPhone. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just click here on settings, and guys, because this error occurs when you have low or weak internet connection. So first of all, you may make sure that you have a strong internet connection. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you may click here on your Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi name. Here is the option of forget this network, so you may click here and you may disconnect your network and connect it again. After this, if you are connected to mobile data, you make sure that your 3G, 4G or 5G is working properly and internet package is working properly in your SIM card in your iPhone. So after this, here is the option of general, so you may click here and you may click here on date and time and click on set automatically, turn this on. After this guys, here is the option of language and region, and you may select that region from here where you lives. Then click on VPN. If there is a connected VPN, you may disconnect that. After this, you may click here on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings. After this guys, you may go back and you may just restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed, and now you can download and install any update in your iPhone or iPad easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.